It doesn't get much better than this. The legendary 2002 LEGO set, Boxor. Wow. Let's take a closer look at this magnificent set, including all its play features, all of its beautiful pieces, and how you can use them in your own creations. And yeah, we'll take a look at some epic revamps of this set. Here we go! So, this set is amazing. A 2-in-1 set that lets you build 2 different mech suits for Nuparu. Heck yeah! And on that, by the way, how good is it that you get a classic Mectoran design like this, that you can fit inside of a mech suit? You take these sweet little defenseless Mectoran and put them on par with their Toa protectors. Nice. It's so lovely to see the Mectoran also being put in a regular everyday set like this. Because think about it, back in 2002, if you wanted a Mectoran, pretty much the only way to get it was if you got a Happy Meal at McDonald's. But then you get one of these poly bags for free. But that was it. That was the only way to get them. So this felt so special back in the day. A brand new Mectoran with a brand new recolored orange Onoa mask. Ooh, this was exciting. It's still exciting. Anyway, let's take a look at these mechs. We're gonna start off with this one. An incredible elevated design. It's got these sturdy looking arms. Arms that you can swing around with the twist of a gear function on the back. That's great. And yeah, it's tons of fun to whack some Borok with these arms. What a good play feature. And another very fun play feature, this windscreen that goes over the top of Nuparu's mask. Yeah, one of the key ways to play with Bionicles back in the early 2000s was to get a Borok and knock the mask off of your character. Well, Nuparu, you see, he's smart. He's got some layered protection to counteract the attacks of the Borok. Ain't no way you're knocking his mask off now. And this gets even cooler when you factor in some of the lore for this set. In the Bionicle story, Nuparu, he finds some dead Borok bodies. So he takes a lot of their pieces and he converts them into a big mech suit. And he uses it to combat the waves and hordes of other Borok. So it's really fun to see how all of the different Borok elements have been repurposed and reworked into this design. It's clever from just like a nice part use perspective, but it's also cool in story. I like the multiple layers of that. It's really, really fun. There is a wonderfully simple charm to the design of this set. You know, basic Technic lift arms for the legs, that's it. All of these exposed gears, the bent flex tube on the feet. It's got this awesome, like, classic early 2000s feeling. A feeling that is so quintessential to Bionicle. And yeah, no matter how cool later waves of Bionicle sets were, nothing ever came close to the beauty of this classic aesthetic. I just love it so much. The second form for the Boxor mech is this. And the play feature here is sensational. Pushing the mech up and down causes the arms to swing forward, like so. You can even angle the mech from side to side, and have each arm move codependently. I meant it when I say it doesn't get better than this. Another very nice feature, the top of the mech right here. It very much does resemble the face of a Borok. It's good to see that consistency across both of the mech suits. And I also love how different the body shapes are on both of these designs. One is very tall and wide, the other very short and stout. Isn't it just that little bit disappointing when you get a 2-in-1 build and both models just kind of feel the same? Well, that's not the case here. They're both very different and very distinct from one another. I like it. But to really hit home how good this set is and how much of an impact it had back in 2002, I wanted to hear from the community. I wanted to get the thoughts of a few Bionicle fans. Here's what a few people had to say about this wonderful set. Jafer said, "I love any set that you can kind of puppeteer, for lack of a better word. And I feel like this one does that better than most." D-Viddy had this to say. "Honestly, yeah, the function of pushing it down and side to side, on the floor, the table, whatever, and then it punching like that, it's so cool. And so fun. But also that orange mask. The new Mectoran, the entire vibe of this wave, it was really cool." Madison said, "Punch, punch, 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 10 out of 10. Misep had this to say. "Nuparu is just a cool character, and he came from the online animations. the Mutanui online game. It was so cool to actually get one of those online characters from the game. Yeah, the rest were just from McDonald's and otherwise were unattainable. This felt special. And Cody Avery said, "Toy is very fun." Yeah, it is fun. What a great set. But what about these pieces? Let's check them out and see how you can use them in your own creations. Included in the set is an orange Borok head element. Interesting. Frenez J uses a few of them here for a very funky leg design. I really like how that looks. It would look good in black, it would look good in orange. Take this idea and put it in your own creations. Nuparu's orange mask, that's up next. Fritz Mox uses a couple of them here for thigh armor. I like this. Actually, you could probably do a very similar technique with other Bionicle masks. Something to think about. But yeah, this looks really good. The flex tube that you get in this set, you get a nice supply. But why not do something like what Alex Mox has done here? Get some string, one or two other pieces, and now you got a fishing rod. It's a very simple little construction, but that's all you need, man. And now you've got the perfect accessory for your next creation. I encourage you to do the same thing. That windscreen piece, what about that? Well, why not use it as the cockpit of a mech, much like Craniac 17 has done here. It hugs the body very nicely. There's a good amount of visibility for the pilot on the inside. That's nice. But what about these white Borok fangs? I like the very subtle way that Huskworld has used one of them right here, just to round off the chin ever so slightly. It's a tiny detail, but it gives this so much more definition. I love it. And our last piece today, this Borok body element. Doom District uses this for the biceps of this dude. Yeah, the rounded shape of this piece gives this dude some big bulky muscles. Quite appropriate. Nice part use. Yeah, nice. Now let's check out a few revamps of this set. We're going to begin with this one. It's by JDM Bricks. Oh, this is a gem. A small little system recreation of the set. How elegant. It's so cool to see all the functions, all the play features, all the little details being shrunk down to this smaller scale. And it's so lovely to see that collectible minifigure Tahu mask being used here for Nuparu. Now yeah, of course, Nuparu doesn't have Tahu's mask, but it looks good. Now, if you're curious, this mask has just been edited on the computer to be orange. You can't actually get an orange variant, although I wish you could. Still, this looks so good. And it's always a pleasure to see more creations in this scale. I hope we see many, many more. Our next revamp for the set, this is Boxor 2.0 by Alex Mertens. I really like the idea of this creation. Nuparu says, hey, I liked my Boxor mech that I had way back when. Let me do a version 2. So how exactly would he upgrade and enhance the mech? Something like this. Yeah, maybe he got some new resources, new materials, and it allowed him to do crazy new designs. Yeah, and the heavy reliance on a lot of system pieces to kind of look a bit like steel, or I don't know, some sort of metal. I think that's very appropriate. The stark contrast between the Bionicle pieces on Nuparu and the system on the mech. It just really pops, And the back, it's got this very nice feature. It opens up to reveal some storage. You can put Krana in there, you can put whatever the heck you want. Treasures from a little adventure, whatever. I always like the practicality of that. Storage space. Practical stuff that you would need if this was real. Brilliant. And these giant hands with posable fingers. Those are good fun. I don't know, there's something I like about a big bulky aesthetic like this. A little more stylized. Alex, you nailed it. This is so cool. And there you have it, gang. A look at one of the best frickin' Bionicle sets ever. Hey, do you have this set? Are you thinking about picking it up? Let me know in the comments below. But thanks for watching, everyone. Happy building, and bye for now. Do you know about the very dark lore of this set? Borok were originally Avmatoran, So this mech is actually made of the corpses of other Matoran. He's made a mech of his dead friends. It's pretty dark, man.